Now, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl me, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be teaching you guys how to do the Kupe dance. It is a Ghanaian dance, so make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So guys, you want to get used to this step. This step. You stay on your heels. So you do that in front, one leg to the front, you go up, to the back, up, to the front, up, 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 up. This is the step. Stay on your heels. Up, 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 up. And when you do that step, you want to make your hands go up with it, so it's like, so it'll be like this, kind of. Watch my shoulders. Up, up, up. So your hand is going to be like this. Clap, up, back, two. You give the two, the peace sign. So leg in front, clap, up, go to the back, two. Clap, two. Let's do that again. Leg in front, clap, up. You go back, two. Clap, two. Clap, two. So make sure your shoulders go up like this. Clap, boom, clap, boom. So guys, that is all. Just make sure you get this posture, and when you take your leg to the front, clap and go up. You take it to the back, two, clap, two, clap, two. So make sure your shoulders go up when you do this. So clap, two, clap, two, clap, two, clap, two. So the leg movement is up, you go back, up again, front, up, go back, up to the side, not necessarily back, maybe like up to the side, not back. So front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side. So guys, that is all. Practice all those steps. Let's dance it with music. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Front, side, front, side, front, side, front. So guys, that is all. That is everything. Make sure you stay on your heels and boom, and take your shoulders up anytime you do that. So when you go to the front, it is clap. When you turn to the side, two. Let's practice that, and that is all. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video. This is the end for me. It is see you again. Peace and love, guys. Bye.